Okay, we'll take.
You take I think you do.
Yeah, I think you take again the video.
Video. Already right?
Yeah, already video.
What's that? Do you know this one?
We also have. Actually, we use this for fencing. It has a thorn also, and when we were kids, we play with this. Uh, we make this as a beam.
Ah, this is a park.
Wow.
Be careful.
Oh,
What is this?
there's not much
What is this? Rabbit.
rabbits. And these are buffalo, or what is it? Wolves? Cannot identify the animal. They're still.
So you cannot be a teacher, you okay?
No. Still growing. What are these then?
Of course, bear.
This is bear. Okay. Why is it a lot of rabbits?
Maybe rabbit is easy to make.
What is this? Is it dragon?
Yes. Oh, see?
Dragon looks like this. Let's go.
Cobra again.
I think I may get some
Sick.
not block.
Okay. I think stop video, huh?
Huh? It's okay. Continue the video. It's okay. Okay, we're going back.
Nice flowers. Wow.
What is this?
It's a plant.
We also have a lot near the river. So this is unwanted grass. We don't want to grow. We don't want it to grow. Even this. Why is it too small? We use it. This kind of. It's not a flower actually. It has a thorn also, and we use it for fencing, and we can make it decoration with this like a birch.
Oh,
Almost.
almost. Almost can't go back.
This is betel nut.
No, it's not.
Betel nut leaves.
No, it's not.
This one. This we call 9 a.m. flower.
This one.
Is it 9 a.m. flower? Right?
Yes, it's true.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, really? We also call 9 a.m. because it will bloom
Yeah.
at 9. I think 9 or 8.
At 9.
It has a different timing.
Yes, some they have
Some
10
bloom.
o'clock.
Yeah.
Some they have 8 o'clock. Some they have 9.
What is this then? What is the name of this flower?
I don't know also. I have no idea.
I think it's kind of a lily flower. Not exact. And these are welcome.
Welcome flower?
If I'm not mistaken, I think so. But I'm not sure. And what is this? We also have this one, but I forgot the name. And this one. Oh, that one.
It's going to dark.
Okay, let's go.
Back home.
I wanted to show the sunflower, but it's okay.
Ah, yes. Where is the sunflower?
Sunflower.
Okay, you are the guy.
There are a lot of flowers here. Okay,
Oh.
this is
Rose?
a rose. No.
No.
What is that?
It's nice.
Flower is it?
It look nice.
One. What is this?
Oh, the same that one, huh? You said. This one.
Okay.
Same.
I we call corn flower, which is in my language we say uh, ling pond. Okay, these are sunflowers.
Show the flower.
The flowers here. We got only few flowers. It
Yay!
looks like.
Very nice.
Mm, we also actually plant when we were kids.
Mm-hmm.
We have a huge garden and we plant different types of flowers. Actually, this is not flower. This is it a flower or
Of course.
what is that?
The sound?
Yeah,
Cricket.
cricket.
Yes.
Oh, we should find. We should find for dinner. Okay, let's end the video here and let's move. Let's go.